right, so we got our ladder table set up. We're going to take our rocker table kit and put it together and assemble it here. So if you chose to get a rocker table kit, this is kind of what they look like. We're going to take our nose piece and our tail piece and leave them out for now. I'll show you why later. All right, we're just going to take our lifts and we're going to attach these to the table. Lift number one, again, lines up with frame number one in the nose. Okay, your rocker table's all set up and your frame is sitting on it nicely. Everything's lined up. For now, we've left out the nose and the tail lifts. We'll make sure to put those in when we go to glue the frame down. Just one thing to note, in case you happen to notice that your frame is not following your rocker lift perfectly, sometimes it has a little extra rocker in the nose or the tail. Ignore that for now. Trust your rocker table. What often happens is if the notches in your frame and your keel are tight, with each frame you're kind of separating the notch and opening it up and almost increasing the rocker a little bit. Just ignore that. When we go to clamp everything down to your table, it'll work. It'll get pressed down and into the proper shape. Okay, with the rocker lift set, there's a lift for the nose and the tail. We're going to put these aside for now. Eventually they're going to get put in place right under the tip of the keel, but it's a little bit easier to put these in after your frame is pushed down to your planks.